Good morning. This is part 1 of converting to 1 to 4 family homes. This is a 2-minute video. By the end of the video, you're going to know the basics in part 1 on how to convert from 1 to 4 family homes. I am rsaheb, architects. We are experts in building conversions in New York City. I know you see a property shop listing and you want to run out and buy a property. And you assume it can be converted into a 3-family or 4-family home. You want to live in 1 unit, and you want to rent out the other 2 units. Believe me, so do I. But if it was so easy, everybody would be doing it. So just because you get a report that says it can be done does not necessarily mean it can be done. You have to run out to a professional who does this on a regular basis, an expediter, an architect, an engineer, a zoning attorney. Pay a minimal fee, $600, $800, and make sure the claim the property shark or your broker has made is actually true. That's called due diligence. They'll have to look through zoning, they have to look through heights, the envelope of the building, the neighborhood, the zone, so on and so forth, and they'll tell you if it can be done. Best step to do it is in the beginning, and not after you've gotten a loan. The second is finding out the illegal situations in the building you're looking at. Just because 3 buildings, it looks like a 3-family home, and 3 families are occupying it, does not necessarily mean it is a 3-family home. It could be a single-family home, and 2 other families might be using it illegally. So it's your job as a responsible property investor to ensure that you find out all the illegal conditions in the building. Don't believe just because the broker tells you. This is only the first step. There are several other steps which we have covered in other videos. My name is rsaheb. We are building experts in New York City. My email address is rsaheb@sahebarchitecture.com. My website is sahebarchitecture.com. Saheb Architects, because building in New York is rocket science.